Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Gene's Reviews. Movie reviews from a regular dude. Okay, I'm going to do another recommend today. When I do these recommends, there are movies that I've seen in the past that I think that you should watch. And my movie this week, or actually today, is from 1979, the year that I graduated high school, and it's called And Justice for All. This movie stars Al Pacino, Jack Warden, John Forsythe, Lee Strasberg, Jeffrey Tambor, and Christine Laddie. Okay, a lot of people have probably seen this movie, but I think there's quite a few of you out there who might not have seen this movie, and I think it's a good one to see. It's a courtroom drama. And a lot of people probably recognize whenever somebody does an impression of Al Pacino, they always do lines from this movie. It's, "You're out of order, you're out of order, the whole trial's out of order, they're out of order." That whole thing with Al Pacino at the end of the courtroom scene. The whole plot of the movie, Arthur Kirkland, played by Al Pacino, is a defense attorney in Baltimore. He's in jail on contempt of court after punching Judge Henry T. Fleming, played by John Forsythe, while arguing the case of Jeff McCullough. McCullough was stopped for a minor traffic offense, but then mistaken for a killer of the same name and has already spent a year and a half in jail. Fleming has repeatedly stymied Kirkland's efforts to have the case reviewed, though there is strong new evidence that Jeff is actually innocent. Fleming refuses McCullough's appeal due to his late submission and leaves him in prison. After being released, Arthur takes another case, that of a transgender, arrested for a small crime and becoming a victim of the legal system. Okay, that's just the very beginning of the movie. I'm not going to read the whole synopsis, but at the very end of the movie, Al Pacino's character of Arthur Kirkland is given the job of actually defending Henry Fleming, that first judge that we were talking about, on a rape charge. And he finds out that Henry Fleming actually did commit the rape. He admits it right to him. And that's when the whole breakdown in the court takes place. The first time I saw this movie, I actually was bored through a lot of it, and only the last courtroom scene is what I really liked. And then I went and saw it again, and I liked it more. And every time I see it, I like it more and more and more. It's a really good movie. Al Pacino is awesome in it, and John Forsythe, playing the part of Henry Fleming, is the biggest scumbag you could ever imagine. In fact, at the end, in the courtroom scene, before Al Pacino finally loses it, Henry Fleming, the judge, leans over to him and tells, because the girl that he's allegedly raped, which he did rape, is in the courtroom. He looks over at Al Pacino and says to Al that he'd like to do it again. And that's what pretty much sends Al Pacino over the edge. So check out this movie. It's called And Justice for All, 1979, starring Al Pacino. It's a great movie. Have a nice day.